Tapioca is not as common as other breakfast options, but I love it for its texture. Made from cassava and is gluten-free, let's make it together. I soaked a cup of dry tapioca overnight, and here's what it looks like in the morning. I'll transfer to a bigger bowl with some water and rinse. It's better to rinse after soaking. Gently, I'll scoop out tapioca from the water so I don't take a long sand, if any. After doing this, I'll pour in a pot of boiling water and cook till it thickens and becomes translucent. At this point, I'll add some sugar. You can use your desired sweetener. After about 3 minutes, it's ready. You can add coconut flakes and fruits as toppings. I didn't have any of those at the time of making this, but I always have my Hollandia milk handy, and that's what I use. So good. Do you like tapioca? When last did you have it? Please like and subscribe for more recipes.